or element of silent martial law that you can now see in this covenant?
Hindi naman talaga martial law because martial law is something like
Silent martial law.
martial law is a military takeover. Mayroon akong i-suggest. Itong fracture na ito, mabigat to. Because ang nasa taas, sa Congress, tambalos-los, pati ang presidente, they're now trying to be in cahoots. They would attempt to change the Constitution. Diyan na magulo talaga dyan. And to make Martin from Speaker, mag-transition to, si Martin mag-transition to Speaker to the parliamentary prime minister. And there is the ceremonial president na lang si Marcos.
Sir, what's your reaction for the possibility of no L next week? No election? Possibility?
It can be possible. Wala tayong yung cards wala sa Pilipino. It's in the card. The cards is being held by Martin Romualdez and President Marcos.
Na kuan po ni PNP Chief Martin na nagpagawa siya statement before na ang mga drug users daw kaya di addict. Usa po yung comment na to ay nagagamit lang daw para mag-overtime or extend ang ilang oras sa pagpanarbaho. From the PNP Chief mismo.
Ang
mga nagagamit daw og drugs kay dili daw addict. Nagagamit lang daw sila, nabila daw sa mga trabahante para lang daw extend ang ilang oras sa pagpanarbaho.
Maganda yan. Maganda yan. So, what is an addict? And what is not an addict? An addict who uses shabu and continues to hit, inom. But the other kind of addict is trabaho, hit, para hindi makatulog, hit. Tapos at the end of the day, siya ang kakainin na makinarya niya. Kasi sabog na siya. Siya na yung papasok doon sa oil mill o sa corn.
But Mayor, would it help if one person there, like si Martin Romualdez, would give up on his dream of becoming president in 2028?
Wala na. I don't think so.
Wala nang pag-asa.
Wala nang ngayon, meron akong suggestion sa military. Pero hindi ko muna bitawan dito. After I shall have talked to the military, magpunta man ako ng Maynila, I'll be frank with them, ilagdag ko yung baraha, pareho rin dito, pero much more, dalhin ko yung mga tao na ganito ang nangyari sa pera natin, pati itong gold reserve natin. Ilan na ba ang dollar piso nga?
59.
So may plano kayo ngayon na puntahan ang
25 tons.
magpunta ng Camp Aguinaldo? Meron kayong plano? Naka-schedule na ba?
Ako?
Opo.
Hindi ako napunta ng...
Yung sabi mo kausapin mo.
Sa ibang lugar. Hindi doon. Pero hindi rin tago. Yung freewheeling discussion, para sabihin nila nagaplano ka ng kudita o rebellion. Ayaw ko yan eh. Kasi naging presidente nga ako.
But you are optimistic na the military will talk or meet you?
Ayaw ko rin kung yung gusto lang. Yung kita ko na who share my same. Kasi ako hindi naman nag-agitate talaga ng forcible removal.
Pero wala pang schedule tayo.
Wala ako, malapit na. I don't know kung na wala.
Did you have an appointment with General Borda about this? Talk man-to-man about this issue na kanya?
Ni General,
Borda.
ano, it's useless. It's useless. He cannot talk for himself.
So, ibang general, sir.
Hindi rin. Dito ako sa baba. Might as well talk to the lieutenant colonels, lieutenant colonels, and major and down.
The ground commander.
What if they do a loyalty check, Mayor?
Takot lang.
Ha?
Sa mga mababang posisyon, marami bang nagpapahiwatig ngayon, pero takot lang sila because sa chain of command.
You know, to the military, of course, there is the military discipline. But if you can talk, if it is really to the interest of your country, why should you not?
Mayor,
Can they resort to loyalty check, Mayor?
Again?
They, among themselves, they're going to do loyalty check. The military.
It's not my business to have a loyalty check. It is for the military itself to check sa kanila if they are still loyal to the Constitution. Alam mo yung protector of the Constitution, that's a very... What does it mean to them and what does it mean to tayong mga tao?
Hindi ba mahirap on your part, Mayor? Like, nung panahon ni, ng diktador noon, madali kasi everybody was in Manila. Right now, the Dutertes are based in Davao. Hindi ba mahirap to mobilize or...
Hindi sila maniwala. Ako may pera ako. But why would I waste my money going there na wala naman akong kita? Ang ginagamit kong pagkain ngayon, yung retirement ko, malaki nga. Pero I am now 80. Kung mag-abot ako ng 90, saan ako kuha ng pera? You think that retirement can sustain medisina pati lifestyle ko?